Hi, welcome to A1 Auto. I'm gonna replace today. This is 2008 Toyota Sienna. Replacing transmission mount. Take the motor mount off this motor mount. This 19mm bolt, just loose it up. Just loose very easily. After we open this bolt, then we need to go to the after that we need to go under the hood. There is a 170mm bolt right there. This is the engine mount. We need to loose that up because when the engine, we need to raise it up the engine. If this bolt is tight, you're gonna destroy your transmission. So you need to loose it up so easily it can go up. So I put just long extension and 17mm right there. Just loose it up like this. It's very easy. Open an engine mount, you need to open underneath. There's a 3 bolt, 17mm, this one, and one is right there in the hole. Another one is right on this hole. So I take it. After the ball out, I'm going to put something like a wood to raise it up the transmission. So when it's go up, raise it up. This one is go little by little up. So this ball I can take it off. I put the jack is on the transmission right there. So make sure it's you see this in the middle of the transmission right there. Then you need to pull it out until you get access to right there. Now you get the, don't pull too much, like that's all we need. You just pull it out like this. See this? So, this easily came out. See there? Easily came out. So just reverse is removable. Just put the new one in, then tight the bolt. This transmission mount, make sure you see this, the bolt has to be straight to the hole. As well engine mount too before you lower the jack. Then lower the jack. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching, and make sure please put the jack stand underneath. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.